Welcome all of you students. In this lesson, I use one more practical exercise with C sharp. Right? I ask you to write the C sharp program to ask users to enter some number. Enter a number and your program should return sum of all the natural numbers between 1 and that user entered value, right? This is my last exercise. It contain console lab project and two classes. One is program.c sharp, that is main method contain class, and we create one C sharp file. Correct? Exercise 1 class. I'm adding one more class, exercise 2 class. Exercise 2 is the class name. You can keep this public or not, right? Add one more method. Public return type, you can use void or int. In this time, I supposed to return some value, right? So use integer is good. Int sum function. Right? We should return some value. Return hardcode value 1. First, we ask users to enter some value. Last exercise, I use this line. This one and this one same, right? We ask users to enter a value from console.write and get that value from this part and convert it into 32-bit, and that integer value assigned to this number. I use for loop for getting sum, right? First of all, I make variable int sum is 0, right? I want to loop this number to 1, right? You know for loop, right? I practice you with many examples. In this time, I'm not explaining much. Check the greater than, right? We start that loop from initialization. First initialize I to number mean that user enter value, then check that I mean user entered value is greater than 1, greater than or equal use. We need 1 also, that's why use greater than or equal, right? Then execute the content, and after executing, this line will call -1, and then check the condition. If this condition is true, again execute the content, right? We use sum plus I. Again use control K D, right? Control KD mean CTRL plus K plus D. This is shortcut for arrange your code, right? In Windows, control K D. Then it will auto. Think about this. Your program is like this. You can use that control KD, then automatically arrange your code, right? Now I want to return my sum value. Think about this. I think I don't need to explain this thing, right? You know this thing, right? The reason is I explain many for loop exercises, many asterisk pattern printing or pyramid pattern, many examples. Now you have good understand about for loop, right? This time I'm getting sum of each I, right? This time I'm getting, first time think about this. First your sum is 0. When your number is 10, think about this is 10. First time sum is equal 0 plus 10. Now your sum value is 10, right? Then next time your sum is sum minus plus I, in 10 plus 9, that way, right? That way. Now I want to call, first of all, create object from this class. Now this part I don't need, right? Create object from this class. Any name you can use object name as object name, right? Now access your sum. Console.readLine, keep that. Right. We ask users to enter some value 4. What will be the result? You should get sum, get count 4 to 1, right? 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. It should return 10. Okay, it returned but not printing that value, right? Sum. This method will return value. I use console.writeLine. Right. Ask users to enter some value. Yes, 4. It will return 10. If user enter 10, what will be the result? You have to get sum from 10, 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus, then value 55. That way you can use, we enter sum, this kind of value. The result is this, right? This will true value, right? Now the second part, you should, if you add to your project into GitHub, you should commit, right? I'm not doing this time, right? Okay, that's it for this lesson. Let's move into more advanced exercises, right?